Every cookout I go to, someone asks me to bring the potato salad. Not just any potato salad though, this one. Loaded baked potato salad. And once you try it, you'll never go back to the plain version again. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and Cake Mix Recipes, where every recipe is tested in my kitchen by my family, and it only makes the cut when it's genuinely earned it. Today, we are making loaded baked potato salad. It's got all the flavors of loaded baked potato in one big creamy bowl. Bacon, cheese, sour cream, green onions, the whole shebang. I've got the full printable recipe linked in the description below so you can follow along, and stick around to the end because I've got one tip for keeping your dressing creamy and smooth that most people skip, and it makes all the difference. All right, so to start our loaded baked potato salad, we're actually going to make the dressing first. Actually, I take that back. Behind me, I've cooked some small red skin potatoes. So I cut them into bite-sized pieces and then I got them boiling. So that's kind of doing its thing in the background. While that's going, I'm gonna use my time wisely and start with the dressing. So here I have some mayonnaise using my handy dandy plunger measuring cup. That's so gratifying when you can do that. Just push it in there like that. And then to that, I'm going to add some sour cream. And get all of that in there. Then we're going to season it up. I have my all-purpose seasoning blend, so we're gonna get that going. And then a little bit of smoked paprika. It gives it that nice little smoky hint in there, so we're gonna get that going. If you don't have it, regular is fine, but if you have the smoked, it's definitely worth it. So I'm going to give this a stir. Get out there. Stir. Want to make sure our potatoes are seasoned well. Okay, looking good. I'm going to set this aside for right now, and I have some green onions. So we're going to chop these up using both the whites and the greens. So I'm going to start by removing the little furry ends, take those off, and then I'm going to slice these in half lengthwise. Okay, line them all up and then give it a nice fine chop. That's looking good. Into the bowl it all goes. Alrighty, so we have our green onions in there. Next, we're going to add bacon because bacon makes everything better. In she goes. And then what is a loaded baked potato without some shredded cheese? So here I have some shredded, I'm using Colby Jack. You can use whatever kind you want. Cheddar would work great here. I always have Colby Jack. So I have about 2 cups of shredded cheese. So in that goes. And then to this, we are going to get our cooked potatoes. So I have those behind me. Cooked and drained. I used a mix of red and white, but I did the baby ones, and I left the skins on because I just thought it added nicer texture. So they come already cleaned, so they're good to go. So in that goes. And then we're just going to get it all stirred up. Oh yeah. Oh, this smells amazing. The hickory smoked bacon, those green onions. Unfortunately, we are not done. We have to chill this for about an hour before we can dig in. So I'm gonna pop this in the fridge, clean things up, then I'm coming in for a big old bite. Just look at this, bacon and cheese and green onions. I sprinkled a little paprika on top, so That's just how I like to serve it. Every bite has something going on. I wish you can smell this. I mean, it really smells good right now. Before I dig in, here's what I want you to remember when you make this. Make sure your potatoes are cooled completely before you add the dressing, because if they're too warm, the mayo will start to separate and the whole texture will change. Now, don't be shy with the bacon. More bacon is always the right call here. And crispy is key if you want it to hold up in the salad and not go soft. Now, this is a great make-ahead dish. You can make it the night before and let it chill in the fridge overnight. It actually gets better as it sits and the flavors come together. All right, I'm going in for a taste test now. I can't wait. This looks and smells amazing. That right there, oh my goodness. That right there is everything a baked potato wants to be when it grows up. Creamy, smoky, loaded with bacon and cheese. This is absolutely a keeper. The full printable recipe is linked in the description. I made it super easy for you. And if you loved this, you have to try my dill pickle pasta salad. It's right here. I will see you there.